So I'm going to give you some tips and hints of how to pass the midterm exam, no? Sa ilan sa inyo, this is new, using the Canvas quiz, no? So we interact through Canvas quiz. So there is the instruction on your Canvas. Once you click the quizzes, then the instruction says that the time limit will be 15 minutes, no? So in order to give you hint about how to pass this midterm, no, some of you masabi, nako, napaka-terror. The time limit is just only 15 minutes. But if you scan the problem or the questions or the questionnaires in your quiz under your Canvas, so the questions or the following problem solving are very simple, no? Bali diluted lang kasi you can see different figures, the parameters. There are only 3 parameters just to remember for the equation of airway resistance. We have the peak inspiratory pressure, we have the P flats, and the flow rates, no? So if you going to analyze first the problem, no, it's time pressure, yes, of course, but the questions are very, very simple, no? There are some equations that not needed or not to be able to convert, hindi mo na kailangang i-convert into complicated, or even not using calculator, because it seems that the liters per minute to liters per seconds is almost divisible by 60, no? So once you divide 60 over 60, you will come up to 1. So sometimes the 1 as need to be converted, hindi mo na kailangan. You need to subtract na lang. In a matter of 2 or 5 seconds, you derive the answer. So that's the answer for the airway resistance, no? So be careful. It should be in centimeters of water per liters per seconds. There are some also tricky questions. It sounds to be you are rushing, then be careful with the values, no? Sometimes may interchange mo centimeters of water per liter per minute rather than centimeters of water per liters per seconds. So that's all about for our how to derive airway resistance in our midterm examination. I want all the students in my class, the RT physics, to pass and not be to think that the time limit is a burden or a hindrance to pass the 200 points examination. So this is your first exam, particularly the midterm under respiratory physics. So good luck to all, and I hope you're going to pass this examination. It's very simple. You analyze first and then you observe that all the values hindi mo na kailangan i-divide sa 60 kasi it will come up with an automatic, you can directly subtract na lang. So time consuming, these tricks sometimes also happen to some board exam, no? So you encounter sometimes sa board exam sounds to be complicated and confusing, but the question is very simple. The rationale entails about only you need only to subtract and you got to derive the right answer. So good luck for the CPU students taking the RT physics. Thank you.